A massive explosion apparently hit Tianjin, China, on Wednesday afternoon U.S. time. Chinese media reports said the explosion came from the Binhainu area along the city's coast, and video posted on social media showed a towering inferno above one of China's largest urban areas. There were no immediate reports of confirmed casualties, although the Associated Press quoted state media as saying that at least 300 were injured. China Central Television said the explosion was a dangerous chemical substance blast that rocked the city around 11:30 p.m. local time. Some local reports indicated that residents had been warned to close their windows in case of hazardous gases. Local media also reported that the large explosion was triggered by an earlier weaker one. The first was the equivalent of 3 tons of TNT, and the second was equal to about 21 tons, the report said.